So we're going to talk. Today's video discussion is what's going on with this crazy week of the stock market.
You told me we was going to introduce them to cryptocurrency.
It's like losing $20 in the dryer. Why is everybody laughing? What's going on?
Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host, the Money Coach, and this is my lovely co-host. When she ain't working, she here sometimes, baby.
Trina. Trina.
Trina.
Trina.
Yep. Well, you can tell it's a lot of failures going on this week, boy. Your boy had some failures this week. Okay, I was posting so much and moving so fast. I posted the whole video of the wrong person name. It was me and Tina. Epic failure. I don't even know who Tina is.
I hope you don't know who Tina is.
Oh man. Okay, but today's video is
They stole the election.
The GameStop.
I got to rest. I just had to say that.
You know what I'm saying? You know, it's all about the GameStop and the craziness going on in the stock market for this week. That's what we're going to talk about, baby.
They stole the election.
That's how they feel about the GameStop.
I'm sorry, I got to rest right now because I, lost a lot of money. I'm sorry.
Woo!
It's happening. It's happening. It's happening.
He lost a couple billions. There's a lot of people lost some billions.
I ain't lost no billions.
No,
because if I lost billions, I wouldn't be sitting here. I will be hunting some people down. Reddit decided to form a civil alliance and tell all of our retail investors like Moa and Moa to go ahead and run up the GameStop. Well, wow, go figure. It worked. I guess everybody was like listening that day. You know, and so GameStop ran up. It did something that we've never seen before. So people like Michael Jordan lost hundreds of billions of dollars. Sorry, Mike, but you've been rich forever, so I had to cut into that. You know what I'm saying? I got mine, but best believe I couldn't get mine because for some reason we woke up and there was no option to buy, only to sell. Right? Through Robinhood.
Scam.
And it was like that all day. Now keep in mind, this has never happened in stock market history. So
Scam.
We once told you that they were myths to the stock market, that the stock market just didn't belong to a certain rich, elite, powerful people, but apparently, obviously, it does. And they can't control. They can get mad and be like, you know what? Cut that shit off.
Yep.
Cut it off.
Don't let them sell. Don't let them buy no more. They can only sell. Help us out, but they can't buy.
And the bad part about it is the stock market was never ready for social media. So it's like, the Old Testament versus the New Millennium Testament, and they wasn't ready. There's nobody to there's no Supreme Court to regulate this, They got some people that are regulators,
SEC.
but apparently these people work for the rich and the elite.
It's a lot of shake. It's a lot of shake inside. It's a lot of shake. Some shake inside.
Shake. 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 Shake.
moneytalkshowtv.com. It's a lot of connections that seems real ironic, just ironically, the company that helps support Robinhood, gives them about 1/3 of their money, giving them money, just so happens to be part or tied up to the guy who lost billions of dollars who was betting against GameStop.
So how's this going to work moving forward?
It's a battle of the fittest. Those bets, those short stop bets, is pretty much, what they did is shorted GameStop. Okay, shorting the stock is pretty much what they used to do or still do. As they will put out fake advertisement, fake news. Or, tell people who are influential in social media and things of that nature to have them post, advertise articles about something to make us investors either be skeptical to buy it or not to buy it, which way or the other. But when they wanted us to not buy GameStop, they wanted us to think it was going to go bankrupt and all that stuff like AMC and GameStop were going.
Here's the problem. Here's the problem. They've been doing that since the stock market was ever created. But apparently, like I said, social media gets stuff out there. See, back in the day, there was no social media. So the only way you found out about something is somebody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody.
Yeah.
And that's how it got around. With social media, all information is instant. It's out there. It's tweeting. It's circulating. It's around there. So when people saw this, social media backfired and people got angry and they started ganging up. And they wasn't ready. I'm going to keep saying it again. They wasn't ready. They wasn't ready for the underdogs to fire back. So this is the end results. But like I said, moving forward, what is in play for this to never happen again?
The SEC is looking into some regulations. They're investigating the whole situation and everything right now. So what I believe, don't nobody know. This is like history in the stock market. This is history. So right now, everyone is waiting to see what's going to go on. But I believe it's going to be some restrictions. It's going to be some limitations. Just like Robinhood limited us from getting that money. But it's okay though. It's all right.
And it would be redundant for people to even try to sue, because even if you did, the lawsuits would take so long.
Yes.
And then you have to separate it and figure out how much money potentially owed, because you can't predict what a person would have done if the opportunity was presenting itself when it was there. So this is just a this is like a whole bunch of unsolved murders just sitting in the box.
Well, if you want to know more about Robinhood and and their situation with that, I posted a video. It's up there, and I'll give out good information. Actually, Robinhood had the same issue, similar, and they still got an active lawsuit against them right now from stopping investors from being able to buy some stocks. The system went down, and they still got some issues.
Can they be fined by somebody?
if it's found that they stopped us due to what someone told them, they claim that they stopped us just because they wanted to make sure things was okay.
Then somebody told you something.
Exactly. You ain't know nothing until somebody told you something. Okay? You didn't know what was going on until somebody told you what was going on. Okay?
So that answers itself, I mean, why do people who are such highly educated try to talk to us like we're dumb?
It's like Dr. Boy said, if somebody help fund you, get you some money on part of your rent, and they having the issue, all they want you to do is say, look here, I need you to go ahead and post that you like bubble bars. You gonna post, I like bubble bar. You don't even know what that is, or whatever it is, you're gonna help that person out. That's gonna help you get that money. And that's what the Robinhood did. That's all. Ain't nothing but try to help ease the pain.
We're in our feelings, but life goes on, because that was so many days ago.
Yeah,
we can't fix it. We can't reprimand it. We can't sit here and post videos all day crying about it. So moving forward,
I'm gonna post another video crying about it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm posting another video. Robinhood boycott Robinhood. Robinhood no good. Not in my hood.
Couple videos ago, you was with Robinhood.
I was, I told you it was a hood transaction. What I tell you, Robinhood is for the hood. Okay?
He was with it.
It's okay. I go to the hood every once in a while. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go to the hood every once in a while.
But apparently you get robbed in the hood.
Yes, you get robbed in the hood. Yes.
Robinhood.
They robbed us.
Their name speaks for itself. How do you not expect this? The name of the company is Robinhood. They did exactly what their name says. They rob from the poor to give back to the rich, because I guess they didn't want the rich to, rob. I don't know how the shit go, but,
They stopped the rich from being poor. That's all that was. They tried to ease some of that pain. He's still hurting, because those bets are still up there. With the GameStop thing, some of those.
And for those who lost hundreds of millions of dollars, you ain't broke. It was just a bad day for you.
Okay, so now we talked about the GameStop and everything.
Inbox me.
What's going on?
Apartment, garden tub.
Now, got any more questions about this crazy week situation?
I thought we was moving forward.
Is that what it is? Move forward. You know,
Dogecoin.
Dogecoin. Okay, let's move to
That was the whole topic of the video.
You know?
We never even talked about it. Not one time.
That wasn't the topic. The topic was this whole week's catastrophe. And it was like a whole bunch of topics of this week. So
that's not what you said. Once again, we finna do it.
Yes, I did. At the beginning, we're going to rewind this back. You know what I'm saying? But yes, I did at the beginning. I said we're going to talk. Today's video discussion is what's going on with this crazy week of the stock market.
You told me we was going to introduce him to cryptocurrency.
Now he is.